Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to flip image in Canva. To flip image in Canva, all you need to do is launch open your browser. After which, on the web address bar, type in canva.com and log into Canva. So right on this field, you could either go ahead and create a new project or you could just go ahead and use the existing one. I'm going to go with the create option and select YouTube as a YouTube thumbnail. So now then that you have these filled, what you want to do is first thing you want to upload the image that you want to flip. So click on upload. You could then go ahead and select it from the gallery or from the upload file as well. And now you could go ahead and adjust the size and all that. All right. So this is the one. So what next I'm going to do is to flip this. First of all, select the particular image or an object that you want to flip. And here at the top of the page, you have these flip section. Click flip. You have these options either to horizontal or vertical. So this is how it's going to look. So that's basically how you could flip in your Canva account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.